If I had to answer the question of who is Taylored Realty, I think I'd say that Taylored Realty is an advocate for those that are looking to get involved in real estate. Terry Taylor with the Taylored Realty Team. I'm the co-owner and lead agent here at Taylored Realty.
And I'm Yolanda, the broker in charge of Taylored Realty. One of the things that really prompted us to get into business, to do the real estate piece of it, is because a lot of times a lot of people don't believe that they can purchase a home. We don't say go out and buy an apartment. We want to make sure that you know you can build wealth in real estate. And so that's been a really advantage we've had by owning the business, being able to go out and help so many others who really didn't think that they could do it. But now they're not only owning a home, some are owning investment properties.
They are going to know what's important to them, whether it be school districts or price point, cash to close. They know what's important to them. They help relay it to their team or their other trusted referral partners. That way we're all on the same page. And with that being said, they're going to communicate openly and honestly throughout the process, which is so huge.
Usually when you're interacting with realtors, once the house is built or once the interaction, once you're in your home and everything is closed and you're good to go, you don't hear from them anymore, but not this team.
We always know what we're going to get when we work with them. We are always able to get in touch with them when we need them. They're very responsive when we need information for the closings, and it definitely makes our job a lot easier.
I would recommend Taylored Realty to my family and friends because I know that they are going to also treat them like their family and friends. They are going to make sure that their needs are being met. They're going to communicate with them open and honestly, and they are going to make sure that what's important for the client is what's being sought after and achieved in their real estate transaction.
Although we're not blood family, we were still treated as family. The level of care and the level of understanding and the level of trust that was formed and the level of just good people.
We're constantly thinking of ways to give back, and I think we're growing in our give back each and every year. The moving truck was conceived years ago. I remember probably about 10 or 15 years ago was when we first thought of and saw the moving truck. But it just wasn't that time. It wasn't our season to do it then. But fast forward, once the time hit again, it was like, I think we're in a position where we can do this. And that really felt good. And I like the fact that, again, we give back to our community.
They are so experienced, so knowledgeable, and they will fight for you.